Hey guys, it's Z here. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make your own rice water shampoo. To start off, I used 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. Depending on how much you're making, you can use less or more. After I added the rice to the water, I left it for 10 hours. You can leave yours for less or more. So this is how the rice water looks after 10 hours. For my soap base, I used a hemp peppermint castile soap. I use about 1/3 of a cup. I went ahead and added sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil is great for keeping the natural hair moisturized. It contains vitamin A, B, and E, which will straighten the hair and prevent breakage. Next, I add 2 spoonfuls of aloe vera gel, which is great for conditioning and preventing itching. If you don't have aloe vera gel, you can always use aloe vera juice. And there you have it, your own DIY rice shampoo. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.